If you're about to self-publish, stop taking random advice from the internet and calling it a plan. That's how first-time authors waste money, miss steps, and end up thinking, wait, why does my book look weird? Or why isn't anyone finding it? So here's what the Publishing Baby is: a no-fluff self-publishing guide from Keywords Unlocked. And yes, I'm a digital baby, and the content can be AI assisted, but the brain behind this is real. These tips come from a real publisher and team that's published multiple books, journals, and workbooks, and helped other authors get their books across the finish line. This channel is for short, bite-sized steps you can use immediately, so you don't get overwhelmed or overcharged. We'll cover Amazon KDP basics, editing, formatting, covers, pricing, keywords and categories, launch planning, consistent marketing, tools and templates, and scams to avoid. If you want deeper step-by-step help and a more personal connection, go to keywordsunlock.com. If you want clear next steps every week, hit subscribe. Save this, follow along, and publish smarter. You've got this.